Watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never.
So guys, what's poppin'? Today I'm doing a voiceover because I took this video right after I got my wisdom teeth taken out, and I don't know if you can tell, but my cheeks look like chipmunks. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the look that I was going to do for prom, but I decided to do a different look because I wanted to look more dramatic. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. First off, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown, and I'm going to be starting to do my eyebrows. Just a heads up, I know you can hear the little like air puffs. I don't have my headphones with me. I can't find them anywhere, so yeah, I'm not using a microphone. Here I am just sculpting the brow. Make sure to always start in the back where your tail is and then move forward to feather out the eyebrow. Now I'm taking the brow wiz and I'm just going to be defining my brow even more. Now I'm taking the ABH Cream Contour Kit and I'm just going to be taking the concealer shade and then I'm going to be outlining the underneath of my brow to highlight. Now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just going to be outlining the top of my brow, but to a similar color of the foundation that I'm using. Now I'm using this white body crayon. You should be using a face crayon, but this is the only white crayon that I have at this moment. I'm using the white as a base for the blue that I'm going to put all over my lid. Now I'm using my Morphe palette as always, and I'm just going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. Make sure to really blend this out so it doesn't look weird with the blue. Now I'm taking this orangey brown shade and I'm just going to be putting that in my crease as well. Now I'm taking this CoverGirl liquid concealer and I'm just going to be carving out where I'm going to put the blue color. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm really trying to reach 200 subscribers, you already know. I've been trying to film once a week, but it's just really hard when I have to worry about school. Now I'm just taking that white crayon once again, and I'm going to be patting that onto my lid so the blue stands out more. Now I'm taking sort of this muted royal blue color, and I'm just going to be packing that right onto my lid. when your mom gets you food from Wendy's. I literally could not eat, and even soft french fries were too hard for me to chew. All I ate was ice cream and like mashed potatoes and applesauce for a whole week. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade and I'm just going to be packing that into my outer V, and then I'm going to blend it out to make the blue look a little more smoky. I like how I still have a french fry in my other hand while I'm blending out my eyeshadow. Thumbs up if this is relatable, because I'm always eating while I'm doing my makeup. Make sure to blend this out so all of the colors look seamless together. I guess I'm fighting you guys now. This is what I'm gonna do if you don't subscribe. Just like that. Now I'm taking these two brown shades and I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash line to tie the look together. Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Woo! Now I'm taking the same blue shade that I used on my lid, and then I'm going to be blending that in onto my lower lash line. What the? Now I'm taking this grayish eyeliner pencil and putting that on my waterline. I almost dropped it, but I'm taking the Better Than Sex mascara and I'm just going to be using that on my lashes. I actually really don't like this mascara, but this was the only one I could find. I couldn't find my regular one. Now I'm taking my favorite lashes of all time. They're from Dodo Lashes, and I know you guys like to save money, so use my code Blasian Persuasion for money off. You already know I got you guys. I know this looks weird, but this is what I do to make sure my lashes are stuck to my eyelid and they're not gonna fall off. First, I'm using the LA Girl foundation off camera, and then I'm going to be focusing on the glitter, and I'm using the NYX glitter primer. Now I'm going to be adding glitter onto my inner corner from Mermaid Scale USA. Now I'm just lining my lips with a brown pencil, and then I'm going to be going in with a nude pink lipstick from NYX. Here I am just blending out that brown. Now I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighter, and it didn't really show up on camera, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of Becca liquid highlight and then going back in. Here are the earrings that I'm going to be wearing at prom. I just thought I would put them on to give you a little visual of what I'm going to look like. I promise you I'm not naked. I just put on a different shirt. It was a tube top, so you guys could see what it would look like if I had a dress on. But yes, this is the finished look, and I didn't actually get to wear this to prom, but I really loved how it looked, and I hope I inspired you guys and gave you ideas for what to wear for your prom. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!